wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, yes, Fenty Beauty is going to be 30% off. It's Sephora and Fenty's little Black Friday deal. They do have a bunch of other Black Friday deals, so I'll let you know about those at the end of the video, but I figured let me do a video of some Fenty faves of mine if you want to check them out. And that I think are worth getting, so let's go. Okay, so baby, when I tell you she is used, abused, child. This is the Fenty Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint. This is their second best foundation. The first one is the powder. I did try that hydrating one that they like kind of reformulated and let out earlier this year. I also tried that skin tint. No, it's SPF. It's tinted SPF. Yeah, I tried that one as well. I still have the tinted SPF. I wasn't feeling the hydrated one, but I also wasn't really feeling the original hydrated one, so maybe that's what it is. But I'm going to use this for my foundation today, and this is in the shade 21. Me and her go together real bad. This is the foundation that I take when I'm traveling. It's just easy packaging to pack, and the wear on this one, I took this to Puerto Rico. Yes, I was wearing makeup in a hot place, and face stayed on. Okay, one thing about Miss Riri. I mean, but also like given her previous profession, it makes sense that, you know, she needs makeup that's going to last and stay on all day. Y'all know I didn't like concealer until like last year, so for me to say this is my favorite concealer, this is the Hydrating Longwear concealer in 400N. So I will point that out though, you do have to definitely pay attention to the shade that you pick up. Don't think like, oh, okay, well I wore this shade in the original concealer, or you know, this, that, and the third, because the shades are a little wonky. The darker shades of this concealer are definitely very orange. However, I do believe they're also supposed to be color correcting, but I feel like you could have made some shades color, like straight up color correctors, and then the other shades just regular concealer shades. Like some of the darker shades that you would want to use as concealer are orange, like brick orange. I'm definitely testing my luck using this powder. So close to winter. If you know, you know. This is their Instant Retouch setting powder in the shade Banana, but you know, got to see it through for the video. So I'm just going to set my face. Literally the prettiest banana powder. You know, usually I would say like, don't be shy with powder when you're setting your face, but be a little shy with this. I said be a little shy, then I was real generous. This powder does have a scent to it. Trying to place the scent though. Their bronzer in Thick Mint. I'm gonna skip past the blush because those blushes that they released this year and in like 2019, 2020, I'm sorry, y'all can keep that, both of them. Sorry. And of course, gloss bombs for my lips. I don't be doing my lips often because I get some of the weirdest comments when I do. I had done, I don't remember what video it was, but you know, I showed all of the products that I put on my lips, and someone was like, you do absolutely too much when it comes to your mouth. Like, why do you need 4 different? Excuse the hell out of me. I could have sworn that this was my mouth. Y'all know when like working makeup artists have actual lip palettes and they mix, you know, 4 of their favorite MAC shades into one little square so it becomes its own shade. What is the difference? Okay, so yeah, because baby, not gonna piss me off on my own phone. So this is Hot Choco Lit in the Heat. However, it doesn't tingle anymore. I think I've used it so much that my lips are just accustomed to it. They don't feel the tingliness anymore. And then this is the shade Cupcakin in the cream version. And yeah, y'all, that is it for my Fenty face. Real simple. And let me go through some of those products I told you will be on sale for Black Friday. This one, the Kiehl's Better Sunscreen UV Serum. It's a sunscreen. It usually retails for $43. It is going to be on sale for $21.50. If you're looking for sunscreen, go ahead and add that to your cart. That's one of my favorite sunscreens. Y'all know, as a darker girl, when it comes to sunscreen, that white cast, purple cast, it'd be real in these sunscreens. This one does not have that. Very good sunscreen, especially under makeup as well. So definitely something to check out. I see YSL's Black Opium, the green one. It says original price $95. It's gonna be on sale for $47.50. Oh, can't click on it. That's definitely not gonna the full size, but $47.50, that's a good price. Let's see. Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Mini Soft Glam Eyeshadow Palette. Usually retails for $29. It's gonna be on sale for $14.50. The Soft Glam palette is one of the few Anastasia palettes that is actually worth writing home about, especially on darker skin. I've been saying this for literal years, but that is one to check out if you wanted to. The Kiehl's Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado is usually $60 and it's going to be on sale for $30. Kiehl's, these prices, like these are deals. Okay, y'all are having this little 10% off, 15% off. And then when you mention that, here come people talking about well, small businesses. Baby, I wasn't talking about small businesses, okay? I was talking about Macy's, bitch. I was talking about Walmart. I was talking about Best Buy, okay? Get in the field. I'm not expecting small businesses to put half their inventory up for 60% off. Can we be for real when we have some of these conversations, please? Okay, Urban Decay's Naked Palette. Usually $60, gonna be on sale for $29.50. I'm just letting you know, because I know like that's a staple eyeshadow palette. A lot of people feel like they need to have at least one. So if you want one, I'm letting you know. But if you know about Naked palettes, then you know. The Benefit Hoola Matte Powder Bronzer, usually $36, gonna be on sale for $18. They only have like one shade that deeper complexions can use, but it is a good bronzer if it actually has a shade for you. Urban Decay's Moon Dust eyeshadow. Now, I said what I said about the Naked palettes, but I give credit where credit is due. This Moon Dust, go ahead and get it. It retails for $39. It's gonna be on sale for $19.50. You know what's so funny? I don't know if y'all have seen all of this discourse about the Patrick Ta eyeshadows that just came out. I think it's like a duo, and you get it for, I don't know, $48 or something like that. I think something like that, right? And people were like, in today's economy, do you realize that people are this, that, and the third? And it's like, is it expensive? Yes. However, what is the difference between that and Pat McGrath singles, Urban Decay singles? That's one single eyeshadow that is $39. And if you think like back in the day when people actually made like their own palettes with Z palettes, especially MAC eyeshadows, all of those, the Charlotte Tilbury, I'm trying to think, all of those are somewhere around $30, $40-ish for one. You were getting two with Patrick. And the thing is, if it's not in your budget, it's not in your budget. But the thing is, like, y'all are never consistent with the energy that y'all give certain brands. Because when I tell you they were writing dissertations, I'm talking like he was doing videos and they'd be in the comments like, so we're not going to talk about the elephant in the room. We're not going to. So it's interesting to see like when y'all get offended about things and when not, but okay. Ooh, the Ulla Henriksen Exfoliating Dark Spot Toner, Chef's Kiss Top Toner, usually retails for $35, going to be on sale for $17.50. Let's see. Okay, the Huda Beauty Obsession eyeshadow palettes. They're like mini palettes, you get 9 shades. Usually retail for $32. They're going to be on sale for $16. I see the Nude Obsessions, the Matte Obsessions, and the Creamy Obsessions. Definitely palettes check. I like these more than her bigger palettes. I don't know, to me they just come across more pigmented, so I really like these. $16. And by the time y'all see this video, you'll have, so Wednesday they will have 30% off Tarte and Makeup Forever. Thursday they will have 30% off Sunday Riley, Briogeo, and Pat McGrath. And then Friday 30% off Fenty Beauty. Saturday 30% off Kiehl's. And Sunday, 30% off Carolina Herrera and Estee Lauder. And Monday, 30% off You to the People and Peter Thomas Roth. All right, y'all, so that is it for today's video. Like I said, during the holiday season, you know, times are rough. So I'm gonna be letting you guys know about any deals, any sales that I see that I think my audience would be interested in. If you see any deals, any sales that you think my audience or me would be interested in, let me know in the comments down below. Make sure 2 thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.